Hey, it's Mike. I'd like to talk about silver or the silver squeeze or the silver squeeze that actually didn't happen. So silver yesterday went down over 8% down to 24.54. That was after silver had a big pop up almost 10%. So it looked like silver was going to become the next GameStop play. However, there were a couple of issues here. One is that there are some people saying that the whole silver squeeze event was fake news put out by hedge funds to try to distract investors away from GameStop. If that's true, if this was a fake out by the hedge funds, it was successful because GameStop did plummet yesterday. However, I do want to talk about silver because now that we've had this whole silver squeeze in the news, we actually get to talk about this commodity that has been off of people's radars for a long time. You look at the 5-year chart of silver, it has been pretty much flat before a big spike. However, it has underperformed the equity market. Now, the question is, will silver be able to move higher? The all-time high for silver is about 49.80, which was back in December of 2011, and it's been nowhere near that mark since then. However, I do think there's a possibility that silver can make a run for a couple of reasons. One is there has been a big run-up in commodities, steel and concrete, just because of the reopening. You're going to have a lot of construction projects going on and a lot of production going online now. Silver, which is usually paired with gold. Silver is actually has industrial uses in addition to being a commodity. So if we do have increased production of electronics, there is going to be increased demand for silver. Also, you have to bear in mind, in fact, there are a lot of governments who have been spending money to deal with the pandemic situation, which may cause weakness in various currencies that could cause across-the-board strength in commodities, including gold and silver. So there is a possibility that there could be a silver breakout. So if you are looking for something that could possibly give you some outsized returns over the next year, you could take a look at silver. You could also take a look at AG, which is First Majestic Silver. This was down pretty big. However, you have to bear in mind it was up over 30% on Monday, so it's down 24%. So it's basically almost down to where it was before this whole short squeeze situation. So I would look at the silver miners because they tend to give you a leveraged play versus silver. So if you're looking to play this whole silver, possible rise in silver, then take a look at First Majestic Silver Corp. Trades on the NYSE under symbol AG. However, if you don't want that level of volatility, you can invest in silver through the iShares Silver Trust, which trades on the NYSE under symbol SLV. So keep your eye on silver. I'm definitely going to keep silver on my radar because I do think silver has the possibility. If I were to give a price projection for the end of the year, I don't think it'll reach new highs, but I do think that maybe a 30% rise from its current level, maybe up to $30, $31 a share, or maybe $32 a share is not out of the realm of possibility. So definitely check out silver. You can trade it with the iShares Silver Trust and the stock symbol SLV. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading technology. Thanks. Bye.